children. Today we will learn about even and odd numbers and how to identify them. Let's have 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's pair these objects. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs. We see all the objects are paired, which means 6 is an even number. Now let's have 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's pair these objects. 1 pair, 2 pairs. Oh, this one is left alone. We see one object is left unpaired, which means 5 is an odd number. Let's count the number of bananas and see is it even or odd. The number of bananas here is 10. We can pair 10 in 5 groups of 2 bananas each. No banana is left unpaired, so 10 is an even number. Activity for you is take any number of candies, pair them and find out is it even or odd. If all the candies are paired, that means you have chosen even number of candies. If any candy is left unpaired, that means you have chosen an odd number of candies. Now let's have a look on even and odd numbers using number line. Starting from an even number, skip counting by 2 gives us only even numbers. Let's have a look on this number line. Starting from 0, that is an even number, and skip counting by 2 gives us 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. All the numbers that we get are even numbers. Now starting from an odd number, skip counting by 2 gives us only odd numbers. As in this number line, we are starting from 1, that is an odd number, and skip count by 2. The number that we get are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. All the numbers that we get are odd numbers. How to identify even and odd numbers? Let's have a look on this table. The above numbers in the table have digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its ones place. All these numbers are even. So whenever we see 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at ones place of a number, the number is even. This is the table. We can see the above numbers have digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at ones place. So when we see a number having 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at its ones place, we get to know that the number is odd. Now let's see what do we get if we add even and odd numbers together. If we add two even numbers, that is 2 plus 2, we get an even number, that is 4. If we add two odd numbers, that is 3 plus 5, we get an even number, that is 8. If we add an even number to an odd number, that is 2 plus 3, we get an odd number, that is 5. Similarly, if we add an odd number to an even number, that is 5 plus 2, we get an odd number, that is 7. If we add odd numbers even number of times, we get an even number. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 gives us 12. Here we are adding 4 odd numbers and we are getting an even number. So, adding odd numbers even number of times gives us an even number. If we add odd numbers odd number of times, we get an odd number. For example, 3 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 11, that is odd number. Here we are adding odd numbers odd number of times, that is 3 times, and we are getting an odd number. Here are some activities for you. Points to remember about even and odd. To find even or odd numbers for the given number of objects, just pair them. If all the objects are paired, the number is even. If an object is left unpaired, the number is odd. Skip count by 2 from an even number gives us an even number every time. And skip count by 2 from an odd number gives us an odd number. If we see 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at ones place of a number, the number is even. If we see 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at ones place of a number, the number is odd. Even plus even is even. Odd plus odd is even. Even plus odd is odd, and odd plus even is odd. Adding odd numbers even number of times gives us an even number. Adding odd numbers odd number of times gives us an odd number. Thank you.